How you going, guys? I thought I'd walk you through our setup. Oh, I've got a little visitor right over there. Hey, buddy. Rooftop tent's still been doing great. Not a leak. Since the last video, I decided to paint the whole setup black. Oh, hello, mate. We've added a 270 awning with walls. A lot of people complain about water pooling, but there is actually an eyelet on the outside here that you can pull it down so you get water runoff. A new fridge setup, 80 litre stand up by Austrail. It's worked really well so far, but really this is its first camp trip, so yet to see how that goes. Really loving the pull out kitchen with the shade, you know, pull over on the side of the road, cook some food real quick and easy pack up. The 200 amp hour lithium king setup. I can't fault it, guys. It's been absolutely great. But we've had no sun whatsoever today, even though I do have the solar panel out. It's still been making power. As you can see, we're actually gaining power and not losing it. This fridge sucks a fair bit. It's 2 amp hours per hour, but that's at 30 degrees, and that's when it's like the full running hour. The fridge isn't running every hour for an hour, so that's not really accurate. It's just what they say to tell you on how much you're going to need to run it. Travel Buddy, same thing, great product, cheap, but I just recommend putting a step up converter on them. Makes the heat up time a lot quicker. So that step up converter goes from 12 volt to 15 volt. It just gives it that little extra punch, which is what everyone wants, you know. That's power. We have added in, well, I've always had it, but I've just modified it for this setup now that we've updated the rooftop tent. Exhaust system venting out the back here, which isn't ideal at the moment, but that's got to go. I've got an extension with a muffler because they are quite loud at night, to go up to the top here and vent out the top. And this here is just your everyday ducting from Bunnings, so that just pops out of there, and then I put a cap over it and Bob's your uncle. I think our little friends over here want some food. I shouldn't probably feed them, but give them a little something. I won't tell anybody if you won't. I'll see if he eats out of my hand. Hey guys. Hello. Oh, he's going to. Oh, look at that. Hey, mate. Oh, you too. Hey? Obviously, I'm not the first one to feed these guys, so, because they're very friendly. That's a Australian king parrot, just so anyone that's not familiar. Very, very friendly bird. It's quite pretty, aren't you? There's a pretty boy. That's the male. That's the female. Males are always red. I'll leave it there, guys.